Hello, everybody, and welcome back inside of my screen again. So it's been quite a long time since I came here and I analyzed with you guys, and a lot have also happened in this market. I think it's been 1 month or 2 months since I dropped any video here on my YouTube channel. So, and during the course of that 2 months, I have already taken two trades. So one is this USD card short that I took, and I shared everything with my Telegram channel in these shorts, and I'm still in these shorts. I'm still holding strong. And the second trade also is this USDCHF trade that I am also currently still holding. Although I've closed like 50% of it, but I am still holding a small portion of this trade. And I documented the USD card shorts from the beginning to the end. So I am still in the process of editing the videos. So maybe hopefully before the end of next week, I will be uploading the video live on this one YouTube channel. So that's it. So enough of all these things. So how and why did I go short on USD card CCHF? So after explaining why and how I saw the short, I'm still going to explain what I'm seeing currently on DSY. So this is going to be some sort of a medium long video. Like it's not going to be too long because I'm going to be uh, taking everything fast and also taking my time. So let's start from DSY. As you all know, I don't do anything aside from DSY. So how did I saw that downward push on USD card? So let's start from the time frame. Let's start from the monthly time frame. So the monthly time frame, as you can see, this is a resistance level here on the higher time frame. This is a monthly chart now. This is a resistance level. As you can see, price, this level has already pushed price down a couple of times. This is the third time now. Although I never saw this coming because remember in my previous forecast, I told you guys that I'll be looking to go long because I thought that this healthy break above this level has signaled that this level has already been validated. And look at what the price did. It came and closed with a hammer candle the next month. And before you know it, the next month again followed it up with a bearish candle. Before you know it, it came crashing down. I even took a loss around here. I think it's around here. Watch my previous video, you see it. I took a loss around here because I thought that this break above, there's going to be a continuation to the upside. But that's by the way. So immediately, I didn't take advantage of this trade because I didn't see it on time because I took a loss. So I waited. Immediately, this candle, this is March candle. Immediately, this candle closed like this. I knew that the next fresh month candle is going to continue with that same downward push. So immediately this candle closed, I went down to weekly time frame and I started looking for entries. I started searching. Immediately, I saw that there's a little bit of slowdown here. There's consolidation here on the weekly charts. Look at this consolidation. Price consolidated here for 3 weeks. Then I further went down to the time frame and I watched the consolidation and I was able to spot a nice and juicy pattern, which I took advantage of. So this is a resistance level here on the daily time frame. As you can see, many people thought that there's going to be a reversal here because it forms something like a double bottom here. As you can see, this is a clean double bottom. The same thing that happened to us here, we thought that this is going to be a double bottom that is going to push price to the upside. This is where I took the loss. I thought here is going to act as a support, this level here. Now, as you can see, price also came and even formed a double bottom here. So that's the same thing that happened, but I learned from this mistake here. I learned from it, so I didn't go long. So I was busy looking for shorts, and immediately I saw this beautiful formation on the late time frame. This candle, this bearish candle close. This is where I did my entry, and my stops were just above here, and I was targeting this major level here. So immediately I saw this bearish candle close. Remember, I don't trade on DSY, I trade on other pairs. So immediately I saw this bearish candle close over here. Then I went down to USD card. I analyzed other pairs, but USD card's own was so peculiar. USD card and USDCHF, but I'm going to explain only USD card because I don't want this video to get long. So I'm going to just break down why I took USD card trade only, leaving USDCHF. Then I'll then go over to telling you guys or showing you guys what I'm seeing next on DSY. I'm seeing some juicy moves forming on DSY. So let's start from monthly time frame on USD card. So this is the monthly chart on USD card. So looking at this chart, you see that there's a resistance level here. This black bar, this single black bar here is a resistance level. So as you can see, price has already rejected or used that resistance level as a resistance so many times. This is the first place here. It came back again, it sold off here. And I'm still expecting the same thing to also happen over here. So that is what I saw on the monthly chart. I was expecting a reversal play to happen at that resistance level. So I then went over to my weekly charts. As you can see, as you all know, I use my monthly time frame for my overall trend, my weekly chart for my current trend, then daily is where I do my entry. So I went down to weekly time frame and excuse me guys. So this is the weekly chart now. So as you can see, price formed a clean and clear double top here on the weekly chart and with a couple of weak rejections. So as you can see, if you look at the second leg of the double top, you see that there's a couple of weak rejections there. So already I started seeing this. I saw this first flash to the upside. Then at this second flash to the upside, that's where I went to the daily time frame to look for entries. So after this second flash, this is this flash here, then that's where I took the trade here. Although I was a little bit aggressive with the trade because I didn't want for the candles to confirm that the peers have already started stepping in this market. I just saw this first flash and the double top I saw on the weekly time frame also gave me the full confidence to be a little bit aggressive on this trade. So I documented this trade live from the beginning when I sent out the signal to my Telegram channel to when I placed the trade to when I closed, because I've already closed some position here at the 50% retracement because I told my Telegram member that this 50% retracement has caused some major reversals before for me. Like as I'm in this short position now, if it will come to this 50% retracement and I'll be expecting it to break below it and continue moving, before I know it, to reverse. So I've already learned to take out something, even if it's 5%, 2%, 1% of the trade. Take it out because anything can happen. As you can see, this is also looking like a bullish engulfing. As you can see, it's also a reversal pattern. As you can see, so that's how I took out 80% of the trade at this 50% investment. I'm still holding 20%, and my break even is somewhere around here. So I'll be riding this move. If this market continues, I will hold all this trade till all the way to the downside here. So that's what I saw, and that's how I caught these Usdcad sales. So let's then go over to DSY. Let me tell you guys what I'm seeing on DSY. I don't want this video to be long too much. I just want 15, 10, 20 minutes video and everybody will go their way. So starting from the monthly time. And today's date is just third March. Third March, and look at the volatility in this monthly candle. We are still in third March, and look, this candle has already printed a lot of movements to show that this, this week is very volatile. This last week, because today is Friday, this week that just closed today was a very volatile week. So I'm expecting price. Looking at this chart now, looking at this chart, you can see this level has already tried since how many years? This level has been actively holding this level since 3rd January 2023. So for the past 2 years, this support level has been supporting this price, supporting this price. Once price touches it, it will play around and then boom, it should push it up, then to come back again to push it up. It came back again 3 times, it pushed it up. So I am seeing this level getting invalidated. This level don't try now. Baba gas rest. So this sell off here, this huge momentum to the downside, I'm expecting it to continue all the way to the downside. I'm expecting this level to get invalidated because this level don't to hold price. I'm expecting this to happen. Yes, so this is what I'm honestly seeing on DSY. And all the same, anything can still happen. This level also can still decide to still act as support because this is forex market for you guys. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. But on the long run, you see this level getting invalidated. So that's why I'm still holding some couple of trades on Usdcad and Usdchf. So if this happens, how and where will I be taking advantage of this trade? So aside that, I'm still holding some trades on USD, CHF, and Usdcad. I got my eyes on AUD USD. So let's start from monthly time frame. This is the monthly charts. And as you can see, price is currently trading on top of these charts. This is what I mean. If you watch closely, you see that price pushed, this level pushed price down here, broke above it, it came back again, used here as a support, but came back again, just tapped it a little bit, but came back again, but, and currently price is still and is currently on top of that level. And as you can see, this level is a very strong level all the way from the monthly time frame. And looking by the way the price action, looking at the way the candlesticks is arranging, this is a reversal pattern. This market is currently forming something like a reversal pattern here, looking at the arrangement of the monthly time frame. So I have my eyes closely watching this NSD USD, I mean, because if what I'm seeing on DSY is going to happen, if that massive break to the downside I'm seeing on DSY is going to happen, I think this buys is a short thing to look at. And judging at the weekly time frame, this place has already supported price for almost 4 months. So I'll be watching and waiting to see if anything will develop on a daily time frame. So daily time frame is where I'll be doing my entries. Although I took the trade here previously. If you watch my trader talks, my previous ones, you also see where I took this trade. But I closed out at break even, I think somewhere around here. Because as you can see, I thought this level, I use this level to set my break even. This level here. So I put my stop loss below that level, thinking that price is going to use this level for a support, but as you can see, it failed and it hit me out. So I am expecting and I am willing to try again. Maybe I will need to see a reversal pattern. I need to see something form on the daily time frame. So I'll be watching this NSD USD closely to see if anything is gonna form. And watch it once it forms, I'm going to be sending it straight to my Telegram channel. So that's it for this week's Forex Forecast. I don't want to make it too long. So see you guys in my next episode. So currently I'm holding USDCHF trades, Usdcad trade, and I'm also watching NSD USD for some longs opportunity. So see you guys next time.